making steak bites. I got this London broil for $4.47 on sale. So threw it in the freezer. Now we are eating it. So I'm going to cut this into small bite-sized pieces. I'm going to get out the big guns for this. All right, got my potatoes frying in the background, so that's what the sizzling is. But I'm taking my seasoned salt, sprinkling it liberally all over my meat. And I am just going to let this set for a few minutes while my potatoes finish, and then I'm going to cook my steak bites. All right, I let them cook about 5 minutes. One side, then I stir them. So I flipped them over, I cooked them about 5 minutes on each side with a couple of extra minutes on a few pieces that missed. And there we have our steak bites. Oh, yum.